My name is Christoph Stegemann. I'm working at BvL as an international sales manager. I'm responsible for the market from the east side of Germany, and I'm introducing to you the machine in the background of me. So this is a specific conveyor washing machine with the name Yukon. This was specially designed for a huge automotive OEM, specially designed for washing housing of axle, and the special related requirements were set with a maximum allowed particle size up to 1000 microns, the surface tension, in order to make a good preparation for the painting process afterwards has been set with 38 dynes, and the cycle time has been set based on the customer processes on 4 minutes per part. Conveyor washing machine model Yukon, consisting of the 3 steps: washing, rinsing, drying, working in conveying cycle operation. The process step 1, the washing, is starting with a general overall washing from all sides. Afterwards, there will be a specially designed lens which dips into the part in order to reach all the blind holes within the part and to reach the first step of the required cleaning. After the washing process, there's the following rinsing process. Even this process includes an overall rinsing of the part with dedicated nozzle in order to reach certain and specific areas of the parts. To reach the customer-specific drying requirements, there's a specific designed drying process which consists also of 3 parts. First step will be an overall unheated drying of the outer surface of the parts. Afterwards, there will be an unheated drying process in order to remove the remaining water in blind holes, small areas of the part. In addition, there's a dipping lens which dips into the part and will be also fed with the help of the side channel blower in order to remove the water inside of the part. The final step of the drying process is an overall and heated drying procedure in order to remove the remaining water of the part. The loading of the BvL Yukon machine is working fully automatically in combination with an on-site gantry loading system. The unloading principle of this machine is working manually. The operator is taking the part and is placing it on a dedicated area. The BvL Libelle Product Control is helping the operator to identify the right workpiece in order to place it on the right dedicated area. This customized BvL Yukon machine, in combination with a high technology filter equipment, has been designed in order to reach the customer specific requirements.